Dear students, in this video I am going to start on the topic multiplication and the division of the fractions. Multiplication and the division of fractions. In the last video I have already explained how to add and subtract the fraction. Now how to multiply and divide the fraction. So students, when we are multiplying the fraction, that means what we need to do, the numerator multiplied by numerator multiplied by numerator, and the denominator will be multiplied by denominator. Okay, that means when we are going to multiply, we don't need to take care of whether they are like fraction or they are unlike fractions. Whatever kind of fractions they are, we can multiply. Just numerator multiply numerator and the denominator multiply denominator. For example, if we need to multiply 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 8, that is 3 multiplied 5, 15, and 4 multiplied 8, 32. We don't need to take care of whether they are like fractions or they are unlike fractions. So now just let us focus on some question. This is some questions I have already written. This is question number 1A. First question A. The question is we need to multiply 5 upon 4 multiplied by 6. Now here you can see that this first number is a fraction, the second number is a whole number. Okay, if there is nothing in the denominator of the second number, so first of all I will write 1 in the denominator. So now I will write it as 5 upon 4 multiplied 6 upon 1. Okay, now what we need to do, we will check that whether we can simplify any of the terms of these fractions. Simplification means can we is just like there it is 4 and there it is 6. They both can be divided by 2. Both of these number can be divisible by 2. 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. Okay, so we can simplify this 6 as 3 and this 4 as 2 because both of them can be divided by 2. So I will write this 4 as 2 and this 6 as 3. So 5 upon 2 multiply 3 upon 1 now. What I will write? 5 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 1. Okay, but one thing we need to take care that both the numbers can be divisible by the same number only. We cannot do like that. This first number is divided by 3, second number divided by 2. No. Okay, both the numbers should be divisible by the same number. Both the numbers should be divisible by the same number. Okay, and the second is the numerator to numerator. We cannot simplify numerator to the numerator. Okay, numerator to numerator, no. Denominator to denominator, no. We cannot simplify. We can simplify numerator to the denominator only. Whether it is of the first fraction, of the second fraction, or of the third fraction, everything we can do. Okay, I'll explain more examples and you will be understood it more better. Okay, now we cannot simplify it more. None of this stuff can be simplified. So 5 3 are 15 and 2 1s are 2. That will be your answer, 15 upon 2. Okay, similarly, if I will try to solve question number B, the question given is 10 multiplied by 15 upon 25. So first of all, I will write it like 10 upon 1 multiplied by 15 divided by 25. Okay, then now what I need to do, I will check whether they can be simplified or not. So yes, they can be simplified. This 15 by the table of 5, it can be written as 3 times and this can be written as 5 times. They both can be simplified, numerator and denominator. They both can be divisible by 5. So I divided it by 5. 5 6 are 15, 5 5 are 25. Similarly now, this 5 again can be simplified simplified for one time and this 10 can be simplified for two times. Listen, I have simplified this denominator to the numerator, not this numerator to numerator. No, we cannot simplify numerator to the numerator. We can simplify denominator and numerator only. And the second thing, both the numbers should be divisible by the same number. Okay, so now finally what I will get 2 upon 1 multiplied by 3 upon 1. So that will be 2 3 is 6 upon 1 and 6 upon 1 can be written as 6. Similarly, in the question number C. Question number C is 3 upon 4 multiplied by 6 upon 7. Now, both are fractions, so we don't need to write 1 in the denominator anyway, because in the question number A and D, one of those numbers was a whole number. So I will write 1 in the denominator, just like I have written in the A and D question. But in the question number C, I don't need to write. Okay. So now directly I will see whether they can be simplified or not. So yes, this 4 2 times and this 6 can come for 3 times. Okay, can be divisible for 3 times by the table of 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So now this 3 is 9 and this 2 7 is 14. That will be your answer. Okay. Similarly, if I will try to solve the question number D, if there are more than 2 fractions are given to us, like in question number D, then also we can multiply. Okay, so now what I need to see, first of all, whether they can be simplified or not. I can simplify directly from this term to that term also, but only one thing is there, that one should be numerator, other number should be denominator. Numerator to numerator cannot be simplified, denominator to denominator also cannot be simplified. Okay, now so I can simplify this 5 for one time, this 35 for 7 times. Okay, this 4 in the table of 4 for one time, this 16 in the table of 4 for 4 times. Now nothing can be simplified. So what I got, 1 upon 1 multiply 1 upon 15 multiply 4 upon 7. Can check again whether anything can be simplified again? No, nothing. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 4 4, 1 multiply 15 and 15 multiply 7 105. So that will be your answer, 4 upon 105. As we like this question, in this question 2 more fractions like that. Okay, so now if I will try to solve this question for E, there are 4 fractions are given. So no problem, whatever number of fractions are given, we can solve. 9 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 10 multiply 2 upon 5 multiply 10 upon 12. So directly 10 to 10 can be cancelled out. 10 1 is 10, 10 1 is 10. They both are cancelled out. Okay. Anything more? Anything more that can I simplify? Yes. This 3 1 is 3 and 3 4 is 12. They also can be simplified. This 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Okay. So now what I have 9 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now cannot be simplified. This 5 to 5 we cannot cancel because they both are denominators. Okay, they both are denominators of the respective fractions. So we cannot simplify like 5 1 5, 5 1 5. No. Okay, so now 9 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. That will be 9 only. 5 multiply 1 5, 5 multiply 5 25, 25 multiply 2 50. So that will be your answer. So dear students, this is the topic how to multiply the fractions. Multiply the fractions. Now, what is the case of division? The division of the fraction is also very simple topic as we are doing multiply. Just only one thing we need to take in our mind. What is that thing? Just 3 divided by 4 upon 5. divided by 4 upon 5. If we need to solve this question, so first of all what I will do, I will write 1 in the denominator of the 3. Okay, the same thing that we were doing in the multiplier. Now this multiply now I will change into, sorry, this divide now I will change into multiply. On the place of this divide I will write multiply, and then I will write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal means I will write this denominator in the numerator and numerator in the denominator. What is the reciprocal? If someone asks me to write the reciprocal of 2 upon 3, then reciprocal of 2 upon 3 will be 3 upon 2. Write the reciprocal of 9, then reciprocal of 9 will be 1 upon 9, like that. Okay, numerator in the denominator, denominator in the numerator. So that is the reciprocal. Okay, so now what we have to do, that this divide will be written in the multiplication form, and then the second number will be reciprocal. Now the thing is same as multiplication, whether we can simplify or not. If we can simplify, then do the simplification and then the multiply. Okay, 3 5 are 15, 1 4 are 4, because here we cannot simplify. Similarly, in the question number B, 9 upon 10 divided by 6. So first of all I will write 6 upon 1. So 9 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 6. Here this can be simplified. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So 3 upon 10 multiplied 1 upon 2. Now we cannot simplify this 2 and 10. We cannot simplify because they both are denominators. So don't make that mistake. Okay. Now direct multiply. 3 1s are 3, 10 2s are 20. Similarly now, in the question number C, two fractions are given. 5 upon 6 divided by 9 upon 5. So I will write 5 upon 6 on the place of divide. I will write multiply, and this 9 upon 5 now I will write as 5 upon 9. Now again we cannot simplify. 5 5s are 25, 6 9s are 54. That will be your answer. Okay, this is our question number C. And then in the question number D, the question given is 25 upon 40 divided by 95 upon 140. So 25 upon 40, on the place of divide I will write multiply, and then 140 upon 95. Now we can simplify. By the table of 5 it will be 5 times, this number will be 9 times. From the table of 10 it will be 4 times, this number will be 14 times. Again from the table of 2 times and 7 times. So finally now we can simplify. So 5 7s are 35, 19 2s are 38. So that will be your answer. So dear student, this was the topic, how to multiply and divide the fractions. Watch this video very carefully. I am sure that you will understood this topic. Still, if you have any doubt, can ask me again.